hey, if you look at the time, it's after 6. This is Noah from After 6 Cocktails, and today we're going to make a Bolero. Bolero is a piece of music by Ravel. Very, very well known in the classical music world. It's also a type of shrug-like jacket that is worn with ball gowns and other formal wear. But here, it's a type of drink. Never made it before. It calls for applejack, which I've never had. It's like some sort of apple brandy or whiskey or whatever. So I'm gonna open this. Figure out what the hell that is. And maybe if it's good, maybe it isn't. I don't know. I don't give a shit. Actually, I kind of do care. I do give a shit. But for the purposes of this video, I just provide information, in my opinion, on certain things like regarding drinks, not on many other things. I got light rum. I got my Bacardi. Got that apple brandy, the applejack, and a quarter of a bar spoon of vermouth. Okay, that's going to be interesting. So first, let's do that quarter of a bar spoon of the vermouth. I got my martini and roasty because, yeah, this is what I had in the fridge. That's enough. And it calls for a quarter ounce of the apple brandy. It's probably more like an apple whiskey. We're going to add 1.5 ounces of light rum. I got my Bacardi, because I like Bacardi. I'm going to stir this drink. I don't have a strainer, or actually do I only have one? Let's see how good I can actually open pour this. You can do a gated pour with a bar spoon if you don't have an extra strainer. Let's see how this thing tastes. It smells like a combination between rum, whiskey, and vermouth. It's not good. Oh. Ugh. That's not good. If you want a bad tasting martini, that's it. It's even worse than a vodka martini I had at a certain restaurant that I waited forever at to get a drink. And this is not good. If you like uber tart, uber dry drinks, this is for you. And if you don't, Maybe try a different kind of drink. It's just not for me. I'd rather have a real martini than that. Don't even know why it's in the Mr. Boston's book. You know, the premier bartending book. Maybe it's got every drink under the sun, but I don't care. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you next time.